So you sent the link out for your survey, and now you've gotten some responses. So you're looking at the survey, you can click on the responses, you can see summary forms, and here again I used for location some responses were just the city name, longitude and latitude, and then an actual address, just so that you could see the demonstration here. So in order to populate the map from the spreadsheet, you're going to need to click on this spreadsheet icon, and you want to create a spreadsheet. So this will open up in a new tab, and this is where we need to do a little bit of cleanup. So remember that the entire question becomes the name of the column. So you're going to need to reduce the name of the column to 20 characters or fewer. So we'll just call this site name. We'll call this site location. And we'll call this info, pertinent info, important info. Okay, so now that these columns are short enough, we can go to import them into a Google map.